Right, so we're doing the K5. I just put the system already. Put a little cable that I had there and a few highs. I just put the amps just like that because I needed to troubleshoot some wiring. They're from old school MTX 2400. This is one for the bass. This for the highs. I have another one just like this one, but right now that's it. I'm done with the little surround sound, little beat. Sounds pretty good. Once you put the top on, the bass is out of control, but there it is, man. Finally got it. Finally put everything together. The carpet is a little bit dirty, but screws. Well, here I did a little modification here just so I could put the stereo. I'm gonna wait till I get the console so I could put the radio in there. For now, is that just to bump a bit. Yeah, I got some little tweeters right here. Give me some voice. Sounds pretty good, man. Believe me, those knocks. And or you don't even have to bump, just real normal. But in case you want to just look cool, drive around. The good thing is you can't even tell. You can't even see the box when you're driving away. Without the camper, it sounds clean. Just imagine if you put the top on. It's just gonna be like this monster bass, but I'm moving out from the house. I just bought a pad, so I gotta finish this K5 already ASAP within this week. So this is the last part, which is the top. I had to kind of restore a little bit. I'm gonna put the roof rack and that tailgate, Chevrolet sign. So what I'm doing here, I'm putting some BONDO, some of the fiberglass, just to fill up this. See that fiberglass? So I'm trying to patch that up a little bit, sand it down a little bit, and then spray it. It's the same paint that I paint the middle of the truck. Other than that, it was good. I just have to kind of fill up the little holes right here. And I pressure washed this and it looked actually pretty clean, but I'm already here. I already have a little material out, so I decided to do it, man, because I don't want it to. It's pretty heavy. I'm taking it off. I'm sure I don't have nobody to give me a hand, so that's why I decided to do that. But I'll keep you guys posted with the rest.